Hey guys, Ansible Vault is a feature of Ansible that allows you to keep sensitive data such as passwords or keys in an encrypted file. These Vault files can then be distributed or placed in source control. Ansible Vault can encrypt any structured data file used by Ansible. On the screen here, I've got a list of all the type of files that can be encrypted using Ansible Vault. Now, let's head back to the Ansible controller. Here, we can type in Ansible -vault -h to get to the help menu for Ansible Vault. So the usage is Ansible Vault, and then we can use create to create a new Vault encrypted file, decrypt to decrypt a file, edit to edit an existing encrypted file, encrypt to encrypt an existing non-encrypted file, encrypt string, rekey to change the password, and view to view an existing file, and then the name of the file. And then we've got some options such as ask vault password, specify some vault IDs, -v for verbose and version, etc. So let's try and create a file. So Ansible Vault create, and I want to create a file called test.yaml. Now it asks me for a new vault password for my new vault file, and here it asks me to type in now I can add some information. Okay, looks good. So user underscore name is test underscore user, and user underscore pass is, let's type in password, and now we can save this file. Okay, so this has created our first encrypted file. To view this file, we can type in view, ask for the vault password, and now we can view the file. If we try and cat this file, we'll just get some encrypted gibberish. Now to edit this file, we need to type in Ansible Vault edit test.yaml, and we need to type in our password for vault, and here let's say we want to change the password to, I don't know, something like passw. And now to change the password on this file, we can type in rekey, and it will ask for the current vault password, and it will then ask for a new vault password, and if everything's good, it will say rekey successful. Now we can also encrypt an existing file. So for example, I'm in my vars directory. If I was to go into all, and let's say I want to encrypt 2.yaml, so I can use the Ansible Vault command. I can type in encrypt, and I can say I want to encrypt 2.yaml. I will need to set up a new vault password. Says encryption was successful. Now if I try and view 2.yaml, I will just get the encrypted gibberish. Now the next thing I want to talk to you about is the best practice that Ansible says we should use. So let's head back to Ansible documents. Now under the Ansible best practices guide, If you go all the way down, you will see there's a section called variables and vaults. Let's click on that. So it says a best practice is to have a subdirectory and then create two files named vars and vault inside that subdirectory. Inside the vars file, we should define all the variables that we need, including any sensitive ones. Next, copy all the sensitive variables over to the vault file and prefix these files with a vault underscore prefix. And then we should just adjust the variables in var files to point to the matching vault underscore variable in Jinja 2 format and ensure that the vault file is vault encrypted. So let's do this. So let's go to our Visual Studio Code. Now here we've got a directory called vars where we've got a file called vars underscore YAML. Let's say we had some sensitive information in this vars underscore YAML, and let's say we've got this like user underscore name, my name, or rather user underscore name, and then user underscore pass. So we got these two variables. One variable has the username and the other variable has the user password. Now we will not, and there are some other variables in this file as well. We will not store the values of these variables inside vars.yaml. What we will do is we will go into vars directory, create a file inside vars called vault.yaml. Now in vault.yaml, we will copy these two variables we will give it a suffix vault underscore for both. And here we will specify the username, or rather this. So this, now the vault file has the actual username and the password. Now under vars.yaml, we will now need to reference these two variables. So we will go here, copy this, and likewise we need to specify so like this. And let's do a save all. Now what we can do is we can now go and encrypt our vault.yaml. So let's go into vars, let's do a ls. So we've got a vars.vault.yaml file. So we can type in Ansible Vault and then encrypt to encrypt an existing file and give it the name, so vault.pyaml. And this will encrypt the file for us. Now specify a strong password. And as you can see, the encryption was successful. Now if somebody was trying to use vars.yaml to open up vault.yaml, they will not be able to do it. So if I do a cat, I will just get some random numbers. So this way you can encrypt your usernames and password or any other sensitive information in your playbook. And to use these, we just need to actually use user underscore name and user underscore pass in our playbook, and when we run the playbook we might have to supply the vault password. With this, we've come to the end of this lecture. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.